Oo, napade mo'y trabaho, oy. Hello, guys. Yeah, guys, now today is we will finish my kitchen my chicken house. Now really, guys, it's very nice. Look, guys, look that the what in English that one city?
Chicken nest.
Chicken nest.
Yeah, a nest.
Nest.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, guys, we have here. Yeah, very nice, right?
Yeah.
I told her we put the top every corner, but she said if you put the top, the chicken very tired.
Very tired, huh?
Yeah, to always come.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why they put it there only. I shall easy.
Okay.
Looking good.
Yep.
Yeah, very nice.
Yep.
Yeah. Kuya,
Do they need a stick to sit on?
huh?
Do the other ones need a stick? You know, like a stick, so they can sit up there?
Ah. Isa babutangan kono og tugpuhanan. Nya na lang murag ari ra siguro ya oy. Okay ngano ang ite. Magpundok man diri. Nya sige ya balik ng hapon. Yeah, guys, it's very looking nice. Now the time for the man is a lunch. Yeah, very nice. I like the house, that one.
Okay.
Look, very nice.
Okay. So you have to raise a lot of native chickens
Yeah,
and then sell your chicken.
soon. 1 kilo is 200.
1 kilo is 200.
Yeah,
Okay.
yep.
Live?
Yeah, live.
Yeah.
Soon, for example, if my sister will come,
Oh, jeez.
we don't have sale.
Yeah, I know.
Just free. Yeah, guys, so really, guys, it's very nice. Thank you, my sweetie pie.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Now we have very nice the chicken nest. Oh my goodness, really. Oh no. That's why the man said you need to buy a lock.
Yeah. Okay, let's see.
Hmm?
Let's see.
Yeah. She told me if you don't want to put the lock just like that. I said no, we need to put that one lock. Look the door, guys. Oh wow. Really nice, guys. Hi. Hi, darling.
Bye. I've locked the door.
Don't laugh. I am a monkey here. Yeah, guys, finally is we finish. And then Kuya, they laughing that one, sweetie.
What?
This one. He forget to remove and to make the two posts. Yeah. But he want to work, but first he told that one.
Yeah, that's it.
Then he need a rebar
Rebar.
for use here. Yeah. He told me that. I tell we need a rebar. But first that he came in afternoon, that one. We will work that one.
Good.
Okay, guys, and then now because my bahay kubo we have a leaking because the storm, the big storm. That's why the leaking my kubo house because the net also is broke. That one we bought a new, we buy a new net. We need to changing and then very nice, really, guys. I cannot move on this. I cannot move on. Yep. And this one also here. That one, the window already done. Really very nice. I hope we don't have stealing. You know, we have people stealing. Wow. That one. This one here. Very nice, guys. That one, the window in the back. There lot of hollow block. Really, and my compost there. You guys. I'm very happy I have a chicken house. Very nice. What's happened? Yeah. Tonight, City, I will transfer the hen that we have small chicks. Yeah. Because my hen now we have our chicks now, but not all. I put here. I love because I told for Koya that we need to use for that one, the middle, the is it not that one? Because easy, huh?
Up there?
Yeah. But he told me no, not that one. Yeah, that's why I did not use that. And I have a lot of bamboo stick because we buy for my mama, and yeah, that one very nice, guys. What you thinking? That one we buy the another.
Okay.
That one for mama. Oh, that one for another store.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. I thought they were all like this, but no, they're green. It's
Yeah.
alright.
No, soon we dryer that one. You know it's very hot. Yeah, guys, because we need to make the small for the what they call house, small house.
Yeah, for broiler chicken.
Yeah. That one we buy that one because soon we make a broiler chicken. Broiler chicken house. That one. And the same the man so working because he work is a nice job. Really. And I find that the guy that he's a good working. Yeah. And very fast to work my chicken house. If we don't have rainy, just 1 week that one. Yeah, 1 week to working my chicken house, but always rainy. That's why too much. I think almost 2 weeks that one because always rainy here. But now soon you can to watch my video that the chicken, the broiler chicken house, the broiler. Okay, guys, and I hope you like my video, and don't forget subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share, guys. Bye bye.